Namaskar students and welcome. In this video, we are going to see 6 science lesson number 11 work and energy.
This is part 2 of the video, children. In part 1, we have seen the different forms of energy and the fact that they can be transformed from one form to the other. In this video, we will continue with the energy resources.
Now, which are the various energy resources? The resources used for getting energy can be classified into two types: conventional energy resources or non-renewable energy resources. Conventional means those which we have been using from olden times. The energy resources which man has been using for centuries are called conventional energy resources. Conventional energy resources include coal and fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel and natural gas. We cannot replenish these resources. Wood also cannot be replenished easily. So children, this is coal. This is the oil refinery from where we are getting the petroleum, which is also called as crude oil. And this crude oil is filtered and we are getting petrol, diesel, kerosene, different components. This is a natural gas factory. Natural gas is coming out here. And wood is also a type of conventional energy resource. We cannot replenish wood also. Now, if these energy resources cannot be replenished, we cannot get them once they are over. What if they get over? Due to the increasing population and increasing usage of energy resources, there is a danger that the limited reserves of coal, petrol, diesel, crude oil and natural gas will get exhausted. These things will get exhausted one day, children. Conventional energy resources? No. We should not be using them too much, but we need them now. But is there any alternative? Therefore, it will be better to use alternative and supplementary resources instead of the conventional ones. These resources have not been traditionally used. They are inexhaustible and continuous and can be used in various forms again and again. So children, these are the new resources which have come in a few years. So we have to say yes to the non-conventional resources. We should try to maximize usage of these resources so that we are saving these resources. And then everything is balanced in nature. See children, here we have used solar energy. Here's wind energy is shown, hydro energy, energy of water. And this is the geothermal energy, heat of the earth. This is biofuel children, fuel from the plants we are making. And this is biogas energy. Now let us see the other type of non-conventional energy resources which are also called as renewable energy resources. First one is solar energy. The energy from the sun is continuous and enormous. Solar energy is at the root of all energy available on the earth. Yes. A variety of devices have been developed for making use of solar energy. This is the solar cell plant. There are many solar cell panels which we see here. They are going to use the
Light energy.
and convert it into electricity. The solar cooker, solar water heater, solar dryer, solar cell, etc. convert solar energy into various other forms of energy. See the solar cooker here. See the solar water heater. This is a solar panel again on the rooftop of a house. And this is the lamp lighted because of solar energy. Next one, wind energy. Electricity is generated by means of windmills using strong winds. A windmill is also used for drawing water from a well. This is a windmill plant, children. There are a lot of windmills in an open space. So this is also used for generating electricity. Next type of energy is the tidal energy, energy of the tides, children. The tides. Due to waves generated by high and low tides, the turbine of the generator fitted in the wall starts rotating and electricity is generated. This is a bit of setup, kind of setup. We have different type of setups depending on the location, depending on the water. So here the energy of the waves is used for generating electricity. Tidal energy. Hydroelectric or tidal power. So children, here we have collected a lot of water. We open the gates and the water flows down with great speed. And this rotates the turbine and that is producing electricity. The water stored in a dam at a height is brought down through a tunnel and the turbines of the generator are rotated. The place where electricity is generated in this way is called hydroelectric or hydel power plant. The Koina project in Maharashtra is a well-known hydel project. Koina project in Maharashtra. Next, energy obtained from oceanic waves. This is deep inside the oceans, children, not at the surface level. Tidal energy is different, oceanic energy is different. While sea waves move forward in a certain direction, the water moves up and down regularly at a position. This too can be used to generate electricity. So children, here we are generating electricity by the forces which are acting because of the moon. The moon is responsible for all these forces, children. We should know that. Next one, atomic energy. The serious crisis of electricity shortage can be eased by generating electricity by means of atomic energy. The heat liberated during the fission of atoms of heavy elements such as uranium, thorium is used to generate electricity. So children, atomic energy can be a brightest future of our country for the production of electricity. Little bit of uranium fuel is going to give you electricity for many years. So atomic energy has got a very bright future. But then children, these fuels are very reactive, extremely dangerous. So you have to handle them with care. And these plants are usually located very far away from the residential areas. But this is giving a lot of energy to us. We have a lot of atomic energy plants in India. BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. This is the organization which is working with the atomic energy. Energy saving and green energy. As the population is increasing, children, we need to save a lot of energy. We should know the importance of energy. In a way, saving energy is as good as generating energy. There are several ways of saving energy, such as putting off lamps when not needed, making maximum use of sunlight, etc. Saving energy and energy resources is very necessary. We should save energy, children. Otherwise, we will have to face a serious calamity like global warming. The whole planet will be very hot. Then life will end. So we have to save energy. How do we save energy now? The energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases such as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide are called green energy resources. Greater use of such resources is the need of the hour. We should be using these kinds of energy resources which are not polluting to the environment. This is what we call as green energy resources. The resources which do not pollute the environment. So children, I hope that you all have understood the lesson. If you are getting any help from my videos, then don't forget to give a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and do give me nice comments so that I am always motivated to do this kind of help for you.
Thank you for watching till the end.